how to redeem Fashion Nova e-gift card. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily redeem Fashion Nova e-gift card. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So I'm going to show you how you can redeem e-gift card on the Fashion Nova app. So open up your app and wait for it to load, and after it's loaded, add the product that you want to buy to your bag. So let me add a product quickly. So now I have added this product to my bag, and here in the top you will see two options: apply discount and apply gift card. So if you want to apply discount, tap on here apply discount, and then here you can write the discount code if you have, and then tap on apply. And to apply gift card, tap on here apply gift card, then enter here the gift card number and tap on apply, and then tap on checkout and the gift card will be applied. So this is how you can redeem Fashion Nova e-gift card on the app. Thanks for watching.